This is a fascinating object that was found at a location in western Sicily. It was found at a place called Motya, and that's modern-day San Pantaleo Island. It's actually a little island just off the western tip of Sicily, and this is where the Phoenicians set up their first trading base there. It was known as Motya, and it was established in around the 8th century BC, but this dates to around the 6th or 5th century BC. And it's a whale vertebrae. A whale vertebrae, which actually they've managed to identify as belonging to a sperm whale. And what makes it even more interesting is that crease there you can see in the vertebrae was caused by a bronze tip. It's been argued that this could have been an arrow or it could have been a spear. And then, of course, that can be extended to whether or not it was harpoon, because there is an argument that it could have been a whale which had washed up and the Phoenicians had just, put it out of its misery and then used what was there. Alternatively, it could have been hunted. Of course, the argument that the Phoenicians were able to hunt whales, in particular sperm whales, is very speculative. It's just one possibility. I suspect the answer really might lie with the fact that this was a washed up whale. And in fact, you might think of whales as not necessarily belonging to the ecosystem in the Mediterranean, but we do find them at archaeological sites. There's a really famous example of a scapula, that is to say, a shoulder blade of a fin whale, quite a young one, which was found in the Agora at Athens. And I think it was found in a well, and it was dated to around 850 BC. And this had been used, or parts of it had been used as a cutting board. I came across this whilst doing some research ahead of what is going to be a two-parter podcast episode on Sicily and antiquity. And I thought, I just can't leave this. I've got to share it because it's so wonderful. Anyway, if you like this kind of thing and you want to ask a question or leave a comment, please do. And if you want to know more about this sort of stuff, click follow.